I have never eaten such delicious tomatoes! To begin, cut 2 tomatoes into slices. Then, in a bowl, add 3 eggs and whisk them with the help of a fork. Also, add salt to taste, fine herbs to taste, and stir. Oh, and tell me where you're watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipes. To continue, in a frying pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter and stir until it melts. Then add all the tomato slices, 1 pinch of salt, and let it cook on both sides. And if you're still watching this video, you're loving our recipe. So like the video and write in the comments, I love easy recipes. Next, add the egg mixture that we made in the pan and some chopped ham. Cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. Then uncover. Add some slices of mozzarella cheese and oregano. Cover again and let it cook for another 5 minutes until all the cheese is melted. And our recipe is ready. Now you can just enjoy it. You guys, this recipe is very easy to make and is very delicious. I'm sure everyone will like the result. Be sure to make this recipe at home and then come back to tell me how it was. We would love to know. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.